In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. Okay, so to do this, you will first need to update your TikTok app to the latest version because this is a new feature. So go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're on Android and update your TikTok app to the latest version. Then you can open up TikTok, and if you have the feature, you can go to your inbox and then you can tap on account updates, and you'll notice for me there at the top it says upload videos up to 10 minutes. So I have the feature enabled. So if I go back, so how you do it is you tap on the create button at the bottom in the center, and now with the new stories feature they have that little quick option there at the bottom, but just switch it there on the left hand side. It says camera, switch to camera. Now you'll notice here that it says 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes. No option for 10-minute videos because you have to upload the video that's 10 minutes from your camera roll. So you would tap on this upload button right here to upload your 10-minute video, and there it says introducing 10-minute videos. You can now upload videos up to 10 minutes long, so tap on OK. Let's just say this video for an example was 10 minutes. I would select it. You would tap on select, tap on next, and you can trim it however you want. If it's longer than 10 minutes, then tap on next at the top right, and then you just go through the posting process and post that 10-minute video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.